Hey everybody, this is Paul from Headlight Experts. You can find us at www.headlightexperts.com for all your automotive lighting needs. Today we're going to go over the installation of the H7 bulb adapters. This is going to be the same procedure for your 20 plus adapters that we sell for your various vehicles. Today we're going to go over specifically the silver L05 adapter and the black L02 adapter. So let's start off by opening up our box. Pulling out one of these H7 bulbs. So let's go ahead and unscrew this collar here. Set that aside. Now on this silver L05 bracket, you can see a spot where there is a gap for a tab, and you can see this tab on the collar here, and they line up pretty well. So you're going to want to line that up, slide that back on, screw this collar back on, and then you can line this up. And you're going to want to line that up and place that inside your factory socket. Same thing goes for the black L02 adapter, same procedure. You'll want to take that collar that sticks up, screw this one on and line this collar up, the tab on this collar with that one. Then when you place this adapter inside your factory housing to line it up, and you want to tighten that up, make sure it's seated correctly. And that's pretty much it. Again, that's going to be the same procedure for the 20 plus adapters. You're just going to remove the collar, place the collar on the back side of it, and line everything up. And that's it. That concludes our video for installing the H7 bulb adapters. Thank you and have a wonderful day.